Good morning. I hope you have your phone ready. I hope you have WhatsApp installed because guess what? Today is our lucky day. Both you and me, we're going to go on an adventure together and make $600 today using our app that I'm sure we already use called WhatsApp, and one tutorial video that I was very lucky to stumble across on YouTube, which I'm sure is not clickbait at all, but is a legitimate way to make $600 today. So get your phone ready, get your bank account ready, and let's jump in. All right, so step one, let's go to YouTube, and then what we want to do is we want to go make money online WhatsApp. I was so fortunate to stumble across this video because we're going to get $600 for it. So get paid $600 from WhatsApp messages. Yes, this is what we want. We get WhatsApp messages. We want $600. It's a new release. It's a new strategy, guys. When was this posted? 2 weeks ago. Make money online, and surprisingly it's got a 94% like ratio, so there must be good information in here. Let's click in and have a look. Okay, so far so good. We want to earn big money online in one day with WhatsApp. So I'm just going to let this play and we're going to watch it together. We're going to do whatever he says on our phone, on our WhatsApp app, and make sure it works for us.
Big money online in one day by simply using WhatsApp. As you can see here, this is the logo of the application.
That is the logo of the application. Yes, can confirm that is the logo. We are off to a flying start.
This is absolutely free. This is how much money you can potentially make by using.
So we got how much money we can potentially make. We've got $400 coming in, 258, 157. There's no date on this, which is a little bit concerning, but he does reassure us over here that it's easy, it's simple, and it requires no skill.
The strategy which I'm about to show.
It also is very much a faked little PayPal thing here, because the logo of PayPal seems to line up not on the left hand side of the page but just halfway down the page, which is very, very random.
Show you in today's video. This is super simple, it's easy, no skill is needed now. So this is how much money you can potentially earn by using the strategy to.
Okay, so he's breaking it down for us. How do we make this actual amount of money? It looks here that every text message that we get or send, I'm not sure yet, is $5. So let's have a look.
Now, if you do just one text message, you can earn $5. Now, if you do just five text messages.
Okay, math's checking out here. This is looking legit, more and more legit as we get through this.
$25, but when you do 10 of them, you earn $50. So on.
Wow, that's good. That's good. That does check out.
And so far. Now you can do as much as you want. And the best part about today's method, this is absolutely free, right? You don't have to.
Okay, so I'm going to skip through here a little bit. It's free, which is what we want. We're going to watch to the end of the video for a surprise, another PayPal surprise, which looks really exciting as well. We want to subscribe and like. Actually, you know what? You want to subscribe and like this video as well to make sure that you're getting this out there so everybody else can also make $600 from WhatsApp. So looks here, this is the first piece of information we're really getting at. A minute 47 in. Website 1 of 4. Interesting. So apparently there is 4 ways to do this. So it's a website called Fibla. Let's have a look.
See here, video call. You can earn $2.50 per minute if you do video cast.
Why are we now doing video calls? This has turned very strange all of a sudden. We just wanted to do some WhatsApp. We don't want to dance on video. Let's see where he takes us with this.
Earn 30 cents per minute. Now, as you can see here, for chat messages,
this is the one we want. Chat messages, $5 a message. Now, I immediately think, why the hell would anyone pay us $5 to send or receive a message? It's already, as you already know, very, very odd for this to actually be a thing. So I'm very curious to dive deep into why someone would pay someone with no skill and no money to offer $5 a message. So and it's all free, and the thing is, if this was so good, everyone would be doing it and this rate would come way down. So there's a catch somewhere and we're gonna find it out, or there's not, and we're gonna get our $600.
Every single message that you send out, you are going to earn $5 US by just receiving.
Just gonna skip through because we already know how much we're gonna earn. And then we want to share the link. So this is already looking a little bit suspicious. So step 1, what was step 1? Register for free. Okay, so we're going to go over to fibla.com. I believe that's the URL. Haven't been here yet. I haven't done this. I watched about 30 seconds before inviting you guys into this video with me so we can break it down together. Fibla, instant expert consultants. Okay, so this is sort of giving some stuff away. But we want to go through this as he goes through. So I'm actually not sure. So this is what he was looking at over here. What WhatsApp has to do with this so far. Oh, there's our little WhatsApp message. So we register for free. We have a Fibler link and we share it with our clients and our social media followers. So we're marketing their service to our followers, which is, we don't need Fibler to do that. We could just share our WhatsApp with our followers if we wanted to, and get paid when people contact you or watch your video casts. Okay, that we have to jump into. So let's go back.
So right here, as you can see, 30 cents per minute, and if we multiply by 60 minutes, so 1 hour, you can make $18. Now, this is
so $18 an hour you can make, which is not that impressive, especially when you're getting $5 a text message. So within the first 4 minutes, we've already stepped back quite a long way from going from $5 a text message, where you can send 10 text messages and get $50, to now you can work an hourly job for $18 an hour. Let's see how much further we pull this back. So he's saying you need to go and download this app called Fibler on your phone to sign up for it. So before you race to your phone and download it, I've already got it for us. So here we go. We've got Fibler Expert Consultations, top experts at your fingertips. Now, top experts at your fingertips is a little bit different to making $600 a day using WhatsApp. So let's have a look at exactly what it is and how this person is misrepresenting how you can make money with it. So you can see it's got a 3.7 star rating. So off the bat, this app is not even an app. It just sends me back to my home screen. It's pointless. Update your app. This app is pointless to download. Can't even sign up because it won't stop crashing. So it's not a high-powered app that has really good reviews. I'm already skeptical, but you can see what seems to be the core of this app is if you're an expert, if you know something that somebody else wants, which means you're skilled at it and you're probably making money from it anyway in a lot of other ways except for Fibler, which is an app that just keeps crashing. People can call you or people can text you and get your advice on something. So let's see what sort of experts are on here and if they're actually making any money. So I definitely don't want notifications from Fibler. Thank you. Get paid for what you know. Get started. All right, we're gonna need to sign up with my phone number. Okay guys, good news. I got us in after giving away all my personal details and we are in. And you can see this is the first page I saw. Down the bottom left, it says experts. We've got Prophet Joshua, who's a healthcare aide, who's an healthcare aide. Oh, the green dot I think means they're online. We have a cat called Stefan, who's a carer from Great Britain. You can see, I think the star rating down below shows their feedback. So let's have a look. There seems to be lots of registered nurses on here. Ultrasound biochemist. This biochemist is interesting. So I'm going to click on him because he's got 3 feedbacks, 5-star feedback, which changed from 2.5 in that second of loading, which is a little bit weird. And he's $1.3 US for a minute on video call. So it seems to be a decent idea. If you can get in touch with people who are experts in an area, if you say were having tech issues and you could call a tech consultant instantly and pay $20 to get that sorted out, that sounds like a great idea. But this seems like a cheap version and one that doesn't look like it's actually that good. So we've got Ashen Collins, an administrator worker, for $7.80. And who's paying Ashen Collins, an administrator worker, $8 a minute for a call? Like that, for administrator advice, that doesn't make any sense. We have entrepreneurs. What sort of entrepreneur are you? Entrepreneur is a very broad term. How can you help people? We have e-commerce, chartered accountants. Chartered accountant might be a good one, phones, but you can see most of these don't have any feedback, and it seems very unlikely to be able for us. I had to break this to you guys to make $600 a day using this because nobody seems to be getting any reviews on this. No one seems to actually be buying it. So 2 things I really want to share with you. One, if you want a service like this, if you want to make money, there's one called Clarity.fm. This is the top one, the one that's been around for, I don't know, maybe decades, but at least 5 to 10 years. And people actually make good money on Clarity, getting paid for your time. But you have to be educated and you have to have a skill that you want to share that people actually have a demand for in the first place. And if you have that skill, there's a lot of ways you can monetize that. So the key here is to build skills that are going to make you money. The second thing, however, is these videos annoy me. These get $600 from WhatsApp, new release, make money online, or if you type in make money online, there's ones like earn $30 per hour watching videos, earn $1,200 every 24 hours with just your phone. These things don't actually work, and everyone seems to be clicking on these videos, everyone seems to be clicking on these links because they have the thing that everybody wants: how to make money as quickly as possible. With no skills, no effort, no time, where the thing that people trade money for is skills, the thing people trade money for is effort. So if you want legitimate strategies like this, I share them on my YouTube channel, and so do a few other YouTubers, but don't go through and watch these clickbait ones and actually try them, because you're going to be wasting your time. Instead, try and build a real legitimate business that's going to be profitable in the long term, not in the short term, because if you are signing up to a get rich quick scheme, you're just making somebody else get rich quick, not yourself.